it is me, JP. Welcome to another exciting episode of Spider Sprue. It's new build day. Now this is something that may interest people. A steam train. Now I don't know anything about trains, apart from Astro Train from Transformers. So this is going to be interesting. Now this is the DRG BR-01, a German steam train. Pack 1. Let's get building. Too close to the camera. So excited about this one. Right, let's see what we get in the pack. So we get, I'll just move the camera down, stages 1, 2 and 3. Now this is from Hachette, Germany, and the first pack also has a nice magazine there, the size of the model. Now this is a 1/22.5 scale, and by the looks of it, if I can translate my German, this started to get built in 1926. It's got, let's have a look, just grab what it's got here. Working steam, moving wheels, remote control, a stand of tracks, more information, comes with a train station. It looks nice, doesn't it? Also, if you go for the premium, you get extra figures to go with the model. Before I forget, also in the pack you get this nice metal plate to tell you what's all about the train. There you go. Yep, 1926 to 1938. All the specs of the train. Excellent, so I'll put that there. Here's our parts. Oh, scissors. Wow, that was a struggle getting into the backpack. Wow. Anyway, here's the magazine. And unlike other magazines, the instructions are at the front. That's kind of cool. So we'll be doing all that in the instructions. Again, tells you all about the train. More exciting stuff if you get from the news agents. But I've subscribed to this. There you go. Lovely picture. I do like these oldie pictures from old times. Don't they look nice? You know, there you go. There you go. Now it does want us to have some tweezers and some glue. So let's put some glue in a pot. And the first thing it wants us to do is get a handle. Here it is, this piece. Let's move that out of the way. And this will be going here. Just like that. Does it need glue? Yes, I will glue that. There you go, looking like that. Then it wants us to get 1D, which is okay. These look the same, so let's do a dry fit first and see if they look right. So 1D will be going here, and 1F will be going here. That definitely goes there. Okay, let's glue them into place and show you what it's like. So that's looking like that. And once that's done, then we'll put in the 0105, which will be going this way. So that'll be just fitting in there. A friction fit. Or do we need to glue it? Well, we'll glue it just to make it nice. And one in there. Just put that in there. Don't press it all the way down because it doesn't go all the way down, and if you press it too hard you'll break it, and we don't want that, do we? So that's looking like that. There's a little one there. This is 1H, and that'll be going where the 1 is there, like that. Then it wants the other one on, which here, and it's going to have a 2 in there, and that will be going in here like that, and that's going to be secured with some BM screws on the other side. Ah, look at that, it's got the nice zip bag on it again. We like the zip bag. I'll try this new screwdriver of what we got with the issue. Now we are going into metal, so dip-de-dip. That'll just be going in there. And then you put a screw here, here, and here. Get that done and show you what it's like. That's looking like that, and that's looking like that on that side. Then we get 1G and 1K, which is this piece, and which is this one with, if it's facing that way like that, there you go, that's facing on that side, and that will be going through the hole. So that'll be going through this hole here. How does it want it? Like that. And that doesn't look like anything in the picture, so that must be the wrong one. Well, it was a 50-50. So I forget what I just said. So that'd be going in this way like that. Now the picture looks right. So it's this one, so that be the angle be facing towards the little nub there. It'd be going to the right. And then we go like this, like to the end like that. Then this will be going through here like that, gently, and then this one, oops, that'll be going like that on this way. So that'll be looking like that. Oh, this is very fiddly. This must be your door swinger. There. Okay, put that down, because this will be going on here. So those will be going on this side here. So you've got a locating hole for the locating lug and a screw hole. So that'll be, that one will be going on there like that, and that one will be going on like that. This is going to be fiddly. There you go. Ah, nearly got it. I've nearly. There you go, like that. So that be secured on the other side with some morning screws. That's right. AM screws. Again, we're going into metal. Dip. And that will be just going in here. Get that nice and tight. And that'll be, there you go, opening and closed. And that is all we do in that stage. Here's our parts. Oh, scissors. Wow, that was another fun trying to get that out. So there's our parts. Looks like we're going to be working on the steam chamber door. Ah, first electrics. That looks nice, doesn't it? And the first thing it wants us to do is get this piece, this piece, and this piece. That's the side. Those pieces. Now around the rim it wants us to glue it. Dab there, dab there, and that we're just going through here like that. So that's looking like that. Got glue everywhere. Then it wants this to go on top like that. Then we get the chamber over, and this will be going in there. Does it want it glued in there? No, that seems to be a nice fit. It's not going to go anywhere. So that's looking like that. It wants us to test the light. So this is going to be our tester. So let's see if the connections are good. I don't like it when they, oh, that looks a bit flimsy. I don't like that. And it's in a knot as well. I don't like that either. So just be careful if you're using this, because that looks very flimsy. Get that all tangled and show you what it's like. Got my batteries and just plug it in. Hopefully I've got my batteries charged up, and that will be going like that. Yeah, it works. Little spotlights on. Of course you can't see it. So that's tested. So that's good. And we can work on the light. Next it wants, if I can get it out the plastic tube. And does it want this in? It doesn't ask us to put that in. Oh yes it has, there you go. Okay, that makes more sense. So that'll be going over the top. And then that with the knob at the top will be going in there. So what I'll do is I'll get that all glued and show you what it's like. Looking like that. There you go. So that's the light bit done. Next. Oh, this is going to be fun. Now we need the door. Here's the door. Now we need this piece. And one of these. Right, okay. Right, I'm just going to do one. So this facing upwards, like the nearly lost it. That'll go down there, down the hole. Very fiddly look parts already. Doesn't want to go. Okay, come on, in you go. Be nice to me. Well, there you go. Tight fit this. There you go. In you go. There you go, like that. And then these little hole there will be going on the hole, or in the hole. That was boxes falling all over the place. Like that. So these will swing over and keep your door closed. One of these is slightly different, which will be going into that one there. That is a shorter one. So let's see if it's that one. I think it's that one. So yeah. So that's the shorter one. So we put the JK, 2 Ks here and the 2 Is here. They will be going there, 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 there and there. And the 2K and the 2J will be going in there. That's the small one. I nearly made a mistake there. So done, and show you what it's like. So then we can go like that and then close the door. Just swing them across. That will keep the door closed. I mean, it's funny how these plastic bits look like bolts. It's great. Right, anyway, once that's done, we get our light. We'll put that in there. And on the other side, we'll use a AP screw. Like that. Not too tight, it's plastic. Then this will be traced here. And this piece here, there's a big lug and a small lug, big hole and a small hole there, so that's where these will be going. Like that. Wire pinch already. There you go, that's looking like that. And once that's done, then we get this piece, which is 2M, this piece, and we get one of these little washers. And this is the tool for the little washers. That will just go in there like that. Oops. So that rests on there like that. And that will be going, there's a little ridge in between here. So that'll be going in the middle of that. No, it won't. It'll be falling off. So let me do that off camera and I'll show you what it's like. And a back. There you go. That was fun. So the best way to do this, as I found, is push it on a little bit so it grabs. Then put this upside down like this, and then push it on, because that will go up, you see. Then we get the plate with facing this way, so the dip is going down this way, and you can see the dip like that. That will just go through here. Then we get the door and put that on the door. What am I doing? Then you open the door, like that. This will be going through here. Oops. So let's just put that on there like that. There you go. So that is there. That'll go through here like that. And on the other side, we'll put this will just screw on here. So that's like that now. Excellent. That is going to be secured here and here with I'll put that there, with 2 cm screws. We are going to metal. Dip. Okay, I went a bit out of sequence. You're supposed to do this first and then put the handle on, but never mind. Doesn't really matter, does it? So that's looking like that. Does it want me to trail this anywhere? Not at the moment. I reckon that'll go there like that. And then we can close the door. That's all we do in that stage. And then we've got the nice oldie pictures. And it does tell you what we're coming in the next issue. Here's our parts. Doesn't look like we need those scissors. Right, now the first thing it wants us to do, 3A and 3I. I don't think there's a difference. Can't see if there's a difference. These are metal, by the way. You see any difference between them two? It's got writing on it. I thought they missed the paint, but it's got writing on it. No, there's no difference. So I'll pick that one. Then one of these 3 eyes. So from this side where that's poking out, that will be going through there like that, and then on this side, that's when these things are going. So that's going to go in there. I'll put that in like that. Then we get our special tool that we had on our last one. This time on the bigger one. Wow, this is interesting. So, okay, there's a little groove there. I think that's where it wants it. So, put it in the groove there. I mean, I thought these should be a bit more flexible, in my opinion, but there you go. It's just my opinion, though. And this is plastic, so if you go too far, you might break it. Come on, you know you want to. That went in. Oh, almost. Nope. Okay, get that done off camera and show you what it's like. In the back, that was a nightmare. In the end, I used tweezers. This tool should be metal, in my opinion. As you can see, it's starting to wear already. But these are quite good. Once you get it to there, you can put that there and then just squeeze it and it should go in. Anyway, once that's done, we're getting one of these. And one of these. That will be going in here, like so. There you go. Oh, you know, I just lost it. It went flying into another box, so I'll do this one. It doesn't have a spare, so I have to find that in a minute. So it's not a tight fit, so there you go, that goes in there. That will be going over the top, so this way, that bit facing down, that bit facing up. I'll go over the top like that, and yep, you get one of these ones again, and then put that on here. So I'll get that done and show you what that one's like. Let's see if this will work on camera. So just get that as much as you can. Watch this go in first time. And nope, okay, off camera it is then. Okay, get that done, show you what it's like. And back, there you go. Ooh, that was fighting me. In the end I had to use pliers because this is no good. But the problem is with pliers, it scratches the paintwork. So, but it's old. It's fair wear and tear. There you go. So that should go like that. That's nice. And then we do the same on the other one. But this time I've already done it. But this time with this facing downwards. So then you've got two looking like that. So once that's done, we get this piece, and that will be going. Where would that be going? I'll be joining these two together. So that'll be going like that. Is it all the way? There's one way to find out. There you go. And that will go on this side. Same. That's it. As far as it can go. Okay. And we'll be putting some CP screws just in these two slots here. And then that's looking like that. So this piece you don't use, and this piece you don't use. That is the end of that stage. That is the end of that pack. Here we go, some pictures of the train. There you go. And that's what's coming in the next issue. Focus camera. There you go, that's what's coming in the next issue. Wow. Thoughts. Those little spring clips here, not my favourite. That will go, that will move, that moves nicely. Bits that I don't need, so I might put them in a bag and put part 3 on them. Again, not a fan of those spring clips, especially that tool here. You know, you've got plastic pushing on metal. That doesn't work very well, as you can see. So I've been using these. I might have to wrap these up with some tape, so they're going to be my tool of choice. Hope you enjoyed that episode. That was fiddly but fun. I enjoyed that. Now, if you'd like to get this for yourself, and if it's still available, down in the description below I've put where to get it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, only if you want to. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, write a comment or two. We like comments. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That will just remind you that there's new episodes of this exciting channel. Especially you out there. Yes, you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Anyway, see you in the next one. Let's get building. How many did you say too close to the camera? Haha.